look, y'all. Here we go, man. Man, my old black and white cars, y'all. To look more black and white everywhere. White. That's weird, ain't it? White. Black. White. White. Look, man, there's a yellow. It's probably one of them in the yellow car. Dude's truck said Sons of the Revolutionary War on the back. That's probably one of them. Because this is another reason Trump is the fucking reason for all this gang stalking nowadays. That's why I hate Trump. I don't like it, some bitch. You know, some people that might, if they do see this video that listens, they might like him. I'm sorry. But a lot of this started happening more and more once he became elected, because there's a lot of people that are in militia groups that think they can just go out and do what the fuck they want to do because Trump was put in office and Trump told them to go fucking raid the goddamn White House or the Capitol and all that bullshit. And now because of all that, we now have these Pride Boys or whatever thinking that they can just go do this shit to people, man. There goes another white car. Buying black trucks. Black car, white truck. I mean, you can't make this up, man. People thought that once Trump was in office, Trump can do whatever he wanted to do. And so they could do whatever they wanted to do. And now they still doing whatever the hell they want to do. another one behind me following me. See, mine, it seems like they use different cars to follow me. Once I turn off to go somewhere else, it seems like other cars are just going that way. Instead of the same ones following me, it's like I got a bunch. But look, everywhere you go, it's white and black cars, all driving past me. Okay, so this dude is going to turn with me, huh? Let me try something here. No, he kept on going in. All white cars. Look at all that white, black cars. And I'm going to do my due diligence and get right in front of their ass. Since they can stalk me, I'm sure they don't mind, because they're getting paid to watch me anyway. White, black cars. There we go, more white, black cars. And this is just going home. I mean, going pick up my damn work check, which I'm sure they don't like me picking up. They sure as hell don't want me picking it up. I seen a motorcycle last night driving behind me. It might not, I doubt it's the same person, but hell, it might be. You never know. With all this going on. And all these white and black cars that you see, man, I'm not even driving like 10 minutes from my house down the road. And hell, when I go to work, they're all in the parking lot because they're mobbing me up there at work. Having the employees in on it with them. Oh look, this dude on a motorcycle left out. Well, a guy on a motorcycle left out behind me when I left work last night. Now there's a guy on a motorcycle going into work. Well, I don't know. Yep, he's going into the parking lot, y'all. He's going right on in. More black and white cars. And here goes the damn fire department. Man, fuck you. Fuck you. See, man, dude in a damn white truck wanna honk the damn horn at me while I'm trying to turn while this goddamn firefighter's going in here. What the hell? I'm gonna wait until these motherfuckers come out the damn store. Shit, I ain't going in there. I'm gonna wait. Hell, I can wait all day. actually looking at them walking across the street. I don't even know if they're firefighters or not, because they ain't got no uniforms on. They were just walking from that direction.